broken jaw. The young boy who has autism became a crime victim all because some teens wanted his sneakers.
What's up, YouTube? Today is another big ride out in New York City. It's for the Stop Bullying campaign. What happened was unfortunate incident. A young autistic child was jumped for a pair of sneakers, and they beat him so bad they broke his jaw. So the anti-bullying foundation is going to do a ride out in support of his family. You could look it up, the actual incident, but we're gonna all ride out. First meetup location, we're gonna head out that way, and then we are going to then head to the second meetup location, and then from there we're gonna ride to the young man's house. So let's head out to the first meetup location. In the adventures of the street legal side by side.
The brutal attack happened in Harlem, where police say 3 teens punched, kicked, and robbed him. Tonight, his mother is talking to Eyewitness News reporter Lucy Yang.
I know what y'all did wasn't right, but I love them no matter what, because they still a child of God. I'm gonna cry.
Is he scared to go outside?
Yes, he is. I gotta go with him. At first, he was loved to go outside by himself, but now he don't even go out with his sisters. He'll go with somebody.
The day after the attack, police arrested 2 young boys, ages 16 and 15. The mother tells me the violent teens recorded the attack and posted it on social media, which may have led to their swift arrest.
Hopefully it's gonna be a couple of hundred bikes out there. All right, we here, first meetup, second meetup location. We'll walk around, let y'all guys see what we got going on out here and all the fly bikes. Got some Can-Ams out here, show them to you. How y'all doing?
Hey, how are you? Thank you.
You're welcome.
How you been, my friend?
Good, man. How you been, bro? Yeah, man. Everything's been good. Oh, yeah, I took off.
I thought for a minute we were going to all gonna get pulled over. I was like,
Yo, this is crazy. There's about 200 bikes out here right now. All right, we here. Anti-bullying rally. Block is full. Let me show y'all what's going on.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Butter from Muscle Kings, Bikers for Autism, and now we just created this new group called Bikers Against Bullying. We received an email and a text message from a gentleman who has 2 autistic children who sent us the actual news footage of what happened. This 13-year-old boy here in Harlem was assaulted. They broke his jaw. He's got a plate and a rod. They stole his sneakers. He's also missing his 2 front teeth. When I was reached out, this was about 11 o'clock at night. I already had this organized and done by 8 o'clock in the morning. Reached out to the mom and told the mom, we're gonna come up here and show your son some love. I reached out to my people at 1PP. They told me, whatever you wanna do, Butter, it's a great cause. I had police escort. It was done immediately. I wanna give a shout out to Juju Hollywood from the Crazy Piston, the Ghetto Coalition, who actually put this together. Dennis Diaz, 6 Cycles, Ghetto Boys, Sin City Lids. I mean, there's so many people, man. If I didn't mention your name, don't take it personal, please. It's just so many people involved. And this is what we do as a community. There's a lot of people out there that take us bikers for criminals and stuff like that, man. We're not. We're here to support our own and take care of each other, man. Listen, saves lives. We do what we can. And I appreciate everybody who supports the bike life. Salute.
That's it. It's over. We're about to head out, ride back, give you some video footage of me riding back, but just check it out. That's how New York City comes out. Bikers against bullying.